I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 27th July 2025, Sunday, Adimasam 11th. Vishwavasu Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishmardo, Adimasam, that is Kadagamasam, Shuklapaksham, Tithi up to night 12:25 a.m., Tridiyai, then Chaturthi. Sunday, that is Bhanuvasaram, Nakshatram up to 6:57 p.m. Maham, then Puram Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamagandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Guliyagalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Sunrise 6:04 a.m. Chandrashtamam for Magara Rashi. Today's Radha Tithi Tridiya Prayachitam Jangari.